If you want to get rich without working harder, you need to understand one thing, and that is compound interest. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's real, it's powerful, and it can completely change your financial future. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and once you see how it works, you'll understand why. But here's the catch. If you don't use it the right way, it can actually hurt you and cost you a fortune. So stick with me, because in just a few minutes, you're going to learn how to make compound interest your best friend and not your worst enemy. I'll show you exactly how it grows your money, how it can also trap you in debt if you're not careful, but most importantly, how to use it to build real wealth starting right now. According to a recent survey by the FINRA Investor Education Foundation, 25,000 American consumers were tested on their basic financial knowledge, and 71% failed the question on compound interest. Just so you know, FINRA stands for the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, the group that oversees brokerage firms and helps protect investors. And that's exactly why I'm making this video, to break down both the good and the bad of compound interest and to help you use it to your advantage. Hi, I'm Greg Hardy and welcome back to the channel, and I really appreciate you being here. On this channel, we talk about all things personal finance, investing, and building a financially secure future. So if you're passionate about taking control of your finances and learning something new every week, subscribing is the best way to stay connected. One click helps grow this community and brings this knowledge to others who need it. Thank you. So what exactly is compound interest? Well, compound interest is when you earn interest on your interest. It's not just your original money making more money, it's also the interest that you've already earned working for you as well. This creates kind of a snowball effect, where your money keeps growing faster and faster over time, even if you don't add anything new to it. That's why small amounts, when given enough time, can turn into something much bigger. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you invested $1,000 at a 10% interest rate each year. After the first year, you've earned $100 in interest, giving you a total of $1,100. In the second year, you don't just earn interest on the $1,000 you started with, you earn 10% on the full $1,100. That means you make $110 instead of just $100. Without lifting a finger, you made a little more money just because you let your investment sit and grow. Think about this happening year after year. Every time you're earning interest on a bigger amount. That's why they call it compound interest. It multiplies over time. Even if you never added another dime to it, your money would still keep growing on its own. The longer you leave it, the more powerful it becomes. Albert Einstein referred to compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world. He famously said, "Those who understand it, earn it, and those who don't, pay it." And he was absolutely right. When you use compound interest wisely, it can help you build real wealth. But if you ignore it, like when you let debt pile up on a credit card, for example, it can work against you and make your financial problems worse. So let's talk about how you can make compound interest work for you. First, you need to start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can turn into pretty large sums if you give it enough time. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but the longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Second, you need to be consistent. You don't need to invest huge chunks of money all at once. Even putting in small amounts regularly, like every month, keeps feeding the compound interest machine. Over time, those small, steady contributions are going to add up to something much bigger than you would expect. The key is to keep adding fuel to the fire, little by little, and trust the process, even when it feels slow at first. Consistency is what keeps your money growing stronger year after year. Thirdly, let it sit. Time is your best friend when it comes to growing your money. The longer you leave your investments alone, the more powerful compounding becomes. Now, it's tempting to pull out your money early, but real growth happens when you stay patient. Also, always reinvest your earnings. That means any interest, dividends, or profits you make, put them right back into your investment instead of spending them. That way, you're building on a bigger and bigger base every single year. Here's a quick example to show why starting early matters. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 25, by the time you're 65, you could have over $500,000, assuming just a 7% average annual return. But if you wait to start until you're age 35, you might only have around $250,000. Same $200 a month, but waiting just 10 years cuts your total in half. That's the magic of time and compounding working for you. Now, here's the important part. Compound interest doesn't always work in your favor. It can also work against you, especially when it comes to debt. Just like your savings can grow over time, your debts can grow too if you're not careful. And when that happens, what started as a small amount can turn into a much bigger problem. Let's bring this idea to life with a real-world example. Consider Ronald Read, a janitor from Vermont who quietly built an $8 million fortune by the time he passed away in 2014. He didn't win the lottery, inherit millions of dollars, or own a business. He simply lived frugally, consistently invested in dividend-paying stocks, and let compound interest work for decades. It's a powerful reminder that you don't need a high income to build serious wealth. You just need time, patience, and the discipline to let your money grow. Here's another example. If you invested $5,000 in the S&P 500 in 1990 and left it alone, reinvesting all dividends, that single investment would be worth over $100,000 today. No fancy trading, no constant monitoring, just compound interest doing what it does best. This shows how long-term investing with consistency and with patience can quietly transform your financial picture. Even companies use compound interest to build wealth. Insurance companies, pension funds, and endowments rely heavily on compounding to grow the money that they manage. They don't chase quick wins. They use the math of time and steady returns. So when you follow a similar approach in your personal finances, you're applying the same strategy used by billion-dollar companies. These examples prove that compound interest isn't just a theory in some textbook. It's a real-world force that creates millionaires and builds legacies. So whether you're just getting started or you're already on your financial journey, knowing this gives you an edge. You now know that you don't have to work more hours or take big risks. You just have to start, stay consistent, and give it time. Take credit cards, for example. If you carry a balance from month to month, you're not just paying interest on what you originally spent. You're also paying interest on the interest that builds up. That's compounding working in the wrong direction. A small $1,000 balance can easily grow into $3,000 or more over time if you only make the minimum payments. It's like digging a deeper and deeper hole without even realizing it. Now, it's not just credit cards either. Student loans can pile up too, especially if the interest starts building while you're still in school or in deferment. Some loans add interest daily, which means your balance keeps growing even if you're not making any payments yet. Personal loans and car loans can also quietly cost you thousands of dollars more than what you originally borrowed if you're not paying them off quickly. So guys, the bottom line is simple. When you're saving and investing, you want compound interest working for you. When you're borrowing and staying in debt, compound interest is working against you. Understanding the difference can be the key to either building wealth or getting stuck paying way more than you ever planned. So how do you turn compound interest into your own personal money superpower? It's all about making smart moves now so time can start working for you. The first big step is to get rid of high interest debt as fast as you can. When you carry credit card balances or high interest loans, compound interest is working against you. Pay them off quickly. That stops the snowball from getting bigger. Next, start saving and investing consistently, even if it's just a little bit each month. The key is to be regular. Setting it up automatically makes it even easier. That way you don't have to think about it, and your money keeps growing quietly in the background. Small, steady steps can lead to huge results over time. Most importantly, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time because honestly, there's no such thing. Life is always going to have distractions, challenges, and reasons to put it off. But every day you wait is a missed opportunity for your money to grow and to compound. Even starting with a small amount makes a huge difference over time. The earlier you start, the more time you give compound interest to work its magic, and the easier it becomes to reach your financial goals. And finally, you have to be patient. Building real wealth doesn't happen overnight. In the beginning, it might feel like things are moving super slow, but if you stay consistent, it will eventually speed up. And that's when you start to see the really big results. Remember, financial education isn't just about knowing what to do, it's about taking action and sticking with it. At the end of the day, understanding compound interest is one of the most powerful financial lessons that you can learn. It's not flashy and it doesn't promise overnight riches, but it is real, it's reliable, and it can completely transform your financial future if you use it wisely. Whether you're saving for retirement, maybe a home, or just building wealth for a peace of mind, compound interest is the tool that can quietly but steadily make that happen. But remember, it is a double-edged sword. If you're not careful, debt can use compound interest against you just as powerfully. That's why it's so important to stay on top of your finances, avoid high-interest debt when you can, and keep your money growing for you, not against you. The good news? You have everything you need to make compound interest your best friend starting today. No matter where you're starting from, small, smart steps done consistently over time can lead to incredible results. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. But even if you're starting later, it's never too late to put this amazing principle to work for your future. Now I ask that if you found this video eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who you think needs to hear it. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice on building wealth and securing your financial future, then check out this video here. And also, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.